Hi, boys and girls. This week, as we are learning about point of view, remember, point of view is who is telling us the story. This person could be a character, which you learned about last week, or it could be a narrator. So we're going to learn all about how to tell if a narrator is telling us the story. Let's take a look and see how we can find that out. Narrator. So when the story is being told by the narrator, this is a person who is outside of the story. They are not in the story. Nothing is happening to them in the story. We're going to see the key words being used. He, she, they, their, and the character's name is going to be used. All of these key words right here are really going to help me be able to tell if the narrator is the one that is telling the story. Let's go ahead and we are going to read this book off of Epic. We're just going to read actually the first 2 pages. It's called Jill and the Beanstalk. So if you want to read this on your free time and finish the story, you can do that. All right, let's go ahead and read. Jill grew a huge vegetable garden. One day, a stranger appeared. He asked for a bowl of soup. Jill gave him some vegetable soup. I want you to take a minute and see if you can find any key words to help you find out what the point of view is for the story. Who is telling this story? Is it a character or is it the narrator? Oh, I see those clue words. Let's go ahead and see which clue words they are. Oh, there they are. I see Jill. That is the character's name. That tells me it's not the character telling the story. I also see he. I see Jill's name again, and I see him. All of those clue words tell me that a narrator is telling the story. Somebody from outside is telling the story. It's the narrator. So remember, when the narrator is telling the story, this is a person outside of the story. They are not in it. We're always going to see these clue words being used. He, she. It could also be him or her. They, their, and it's going to be using the characters' names. All right, boys and girls, go ahead and now you can move on to your practice.